In this video, we're going over the top 5 problems in this first generation Toyota Highlander. Now, there's nothing wrong with this vehicle. There's nothing wrong with buying one or owning one. Every vehicle has their problems. These are the top 5 that we have found. Number 1, the VVT Oil Feed Hose. Now, on different engines, they will have a hose that comes from underneath. And if the hose actually bursts, you're gonna have a severe oil leak. It's not gonna be like, oh, just a little drip. You're gonna see a huge puddle of oil to the point where you definitely need to shut the engine down so that you don't ruin the engine. Now, this vehicle doesn't have one, but it would be in this location on the back of the head or on the front of the head right there, back behind the timing cover. Number 2, check engine light after changing the air filter. The air filter box is right here, and sometimes it's pretty easy to knock any of these hoses off or even hit this hose off. Now, if you do that and then you drive the vehicle, you're gonna end up with a check engine light. The easiest thing to do is check all these hoses, make sure they're all in the right position, clear the code, and you should be good to go. Number 3, failed O2 sensors. Now, one of the O2 sensors is located right here, and there's going to be another one on the back side of the engine as well. Those front O2 sensors are the ones that are going to give you the drivability issues. They control the air-fuel ratio. The other O2 sensors just monitor the catalytic converters. So if your engine's running rough and you get a code for those O2 sensors, most likely replacing the O2 sensors is going to fix your problem. Number 4, ignition coils. Now, the ignition coils are located right here. There's 3 on the front side of the motor, and there's 3 underneath that intake. What you're gonna notice when these fail is the engine's gonna run rough. You're gonna have a check engine light. You may even have a check engine light that's flashing. And if it happens to be due to the ignition coil, you're gonna wanna replace all of them at the same time. You don't wanna replace just one. And it's always a good idea to replace the spark plugs while you're doing it. To access the rear ones, you're gonna wanna take the intake off and make sure you replace that gasket while you're doing that. Number 5, the center airbag sensor assembly. Now, it's located underneath the center console, so it's kind of a big job. You have to remove a lot of interior parts. And what you're gonna find for symptoms is the airbag light come on, and there should be a code for that sensor. If you replace that sensor and then you clear the code and the airbag light stays out, you should be good to go. If not, if the light's still on, you may have to have it programmed. So there's our top 5 problems with this Toyota Highlander. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring that bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.